You know, Owl City is one of my favorite group of bands, man. I mean, the slow rock music makes you want to fall asleep, makes you think what world is about. You this one here is gonna sing "To the Sky" by Owl City. It's played by the House of Gaul, the movie Legend of the Guardians. Let's start. Shipwrecks and I see them faces. There's a dreamy world out there. Dear friends in higher places, carry me away from here. Travel light, let the sun eclipse you, 'cause your flight is about to leave. And there's more to this brave adventure that you would ever believe. Bird's eye view. Awake the stars, 'cause they're all around you. Wide eyes will always brighten blue. Chase your dreams and remember me. Speak bravery, 'cause after all these wings will take you up so high. So bid the forest, deplore goodbyes. You raise your wings and take to the sky. Thank you, man. Thank you for supporting me. Wish me luck on my other videos. Wish me luck. Peace out.